In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Slack to go on vacation. Before you head out, it's a good idea to prepare your Slack account so your team can clearly see that you're unavailable and so you're not getting distracted by messages, alerts, or calls while you're away. The goal here is simple. Let people know you're out, silence notifications, and make your availability reflect that you're offline. To get started, open Slack on your computer or in your browser. Once Slack is open, click your profile picture. Depending on your version of Slack, this may appear in the bottom left corner or near the top right area of the window. From the menu that appears, choose the option to update your status. In the status field, type a short, clear message that tells people you're away. Something like, "On vacation, back Monday," works well because it's direct and easy for coworkers to understand at a glance. After that, choose an emoji for your status. A palm tree or airplane is a great option because it visually signals time off right away. Next, set the expiration time for that status so it clears automatically when you return. In the same status window, find the Clear After dropdown and select Custom. Then use the calendar and time picker to choose the exact date and time when you expect to be back and available again. Once that's set, click Save. This makes sure your vacation status stays active for the full time you're away without needing to remember to change it later. Now that your public status is set, the next step is even more important if you want real peace and quiet. Click your profile picture again to reopen the menu, then move over the Pause Notifications option. From the submenu, select Custom. Enter the date and time when your vacation ends. This will mute desktop notifications, mobile alerts, and incoming Slack calls until that return time, which is especially helpful if you want a true break from work interruptions. Finally, set your presence to away. Open the profile menu one last time, find the option that says Set Yourself Away, and click it. This changes your availability indicator so people can immediately tell you're not currently active. Once all of that is done, your Slack profile is ready for vacation mode. Your team will see your out of office status, your notifications will stay quiet, and your account will appear away while you're gone. If you ever need to adjust these settings while traveling, you can also do it from the Slack mobile app using the U section. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.